welcome to the best software to make YouTube videos. This is what I use and these are amazing software, and I hope you'll enjoy this and find it useful. OBS, or Open Broadcaster Software, is an open source software and it's amazing. It's extremely versatile, has a lot of settings. You can record some extremely high quality video and audio if you have the right tools and the know-how. It's absolutely amazing, and let me show you how it works. Here we are in the OBS UI, the user interface, and as you can see, it's sort of cool. And you may be wondering why this effect is going on. This happening because I'm screen recording in OBS, so it just has this effect. So we can just look at the first window. Yeah, so there is start recording and stop recording. Currently I'm recording, so I can't stop it, or you can't see it. There are a lot of settings. As you can see, there's all of this: general, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, advanced. All of this is advanced stuff. We don't need to get into it. Here you can see this volume gauge, and if I talk really slowly, you can see that it's that it goes down. But if I shout, it goes red, indicating that it's a bit too loud and may lead to voice cracking. You can go from one scene to another. Now, we just changed the scene. Here, went from one scene to another. You can set up another scene. As you can see, I just changed scenes, and the audio went silent. So this is it's extremely versatile. It has this studio mode, and all of this is just amazing. I'll leave a link in the description to and now I'm going to turn the screen capture off, so I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can go and check it out. So let's move on to the next software. Next up is Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the software that I use to edit my videos. It's extremely powerful and it's used by professionals everywhere. But it's unless you're really willing to go complex or you're like an editing professional, Adobe Premiere Pro is expensive. It's a subscription program by Adobe, so be careful on that, but it's extremely nice. It's an extremely powerful editing software. That's why I'm able to do all of this editing. There's no watermark or anything like that. It's amazing. I'll show you what it does, what do I do with it, and yeah, let's begin. Now I'm going to demonstrate the power of Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I can't really get into detail about how powerful this thing is, so I'll just show you what you can do. You can do that. By the way, you know what's really cool? It's, this is me editing this actual video right now. So you can cut up things and move it. It works in that same timeline fashion as other popular video editors. You can do all the normal stuff, you know. And there you go. That's the previous OBS one that I recorded. You can put it into this timeline. You can add text. You can, if you look over on this side, you can see that there are so many programs that you can do. It's just very powerful, and I will link an Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial in the description that will go into depth about what you can do, and then you can import some stuff. You can add it here, some music, logos, motion graphics over here or whatever. It's extremely powerful. But if you're interested in Adobe Premiere Pro, I'll leave a link to a tutorial in the description so you can check it out. Now, Canva is an extremely powerful, easy, and intuitive software to create videos and graphics and all of those stuff. So it's just canva.com. It's totally free. Everybody can check it out. Unlike Adobe Premiere Pro, it's free. OBS is also free. It's free. You can create amazing thumbnails with it. It's amazing. Okay, it's very intuitive. It has a huge image library. It's extremely easy to use to create eye-grabbing thumbnails like my YouTube thumbnails. It takes almost no effort to create an amazing thumbnail from scratch. And you can also create Twitter photos, Twitter profile pics, and Facebook profile pics, cover photos, posters. It's an extremely versatile software. So a software, it's also a website. It's amazing, and let me demonstrate its power. Now here we are in canva.com. You need to create an account to log in. It's super easy. I have my own account, as you can see here. Now, as I mentioned previously, you can do any of these. It's absolutely huge. You can also have a custom dimensions, okay? Or today we're going to be learning how to do a YouTube thumbnail. So you can just type in YouTube and YouTube thumbnail will come up, and it will give you this. All of these are the templates that you can use, and we're going to go for blank. Or you can also go for the templates, you know, it doesn't matter. You can add in any videos. You can add in this video, but it won't come off because it's a thumbnail. So you can add these photos as well. As I said, there's a huge library. You can search for example, a ball. For some reason, we're just giving examples here. You got these, all of these for free, royalty free. Pretty cool. Or you can upload your own images here in upload. So I've already uploaded a lot of these because I need to, you know, obviously I make a lot of thumbnails. So you can just pull one in, and let's say we're doing that Amazon versus Flipkart logo that you know, let's say it's just, you can also add these images as the thumbnail, as the background, and you can just add in these elements, resize them. Again, a lot of elements. It's cool. Delete this. Let's say we're doing the Amazon versus Flipkart logo again. We can just keep Amazon here. Okay, it's just, and it also automatically lines it up to the center. All that you can Amazon, and then you pull in the versus. You pull in this versus logo. It's just extremely versatile, amazing. You can put this right in the middle because it automatically lines it up for you, and you can do Amazon versus. I usually spend a lot more time in terms of work than this, but see, I've already whipped together a sort of easy logo, and then pull something for the background. What background can we do? We can do, or you can just go to background and find cool backgrounds to choose, like that. This background, which I probably wouldn't use, all these solid colors. It's there's also a Canva Pro, which you need. It's a subscription service that allows for more, but you don't even need to pay a single price to get what you want out of this. You can also add text. So it's extremely versatile, amazing. Color pickers, all of that. It's if you're a pro, you can use it amazingly. If you're new to this designing thing, it's also extremely easy. It's extremely great in every single way. I highly recommend that you try out canva.com if you're interested in making YouTube thumbnails. So I've told you all this great software to make a video, but after that, what do you gotta do? You have to upload the video. I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you need to get a YouTube channel. There's this link, create channel, but I already have a YouTube channel, so when I click it, it'll just go to my channel. But for you guys, you can go create a channel, and then you will be on YouTube, where you have to click this create video or post, which looks like looks like a video camera with a plus. You click it, and there are two options: upload video or go live. To go live, you have to stream, but you just want to upload a video, and when you click upload video, it goes to the YouTube studio page where you'll be able to upload the video. Now you can simply go to the videos folder, pick a video, and go to Google and boom, drop it in there. Or if you are not interested in that, you can go again, upload video, and click select file, where you'll go to the ever so familiar file explorer, and you can go and pick out the video, click on it, and open, where it will start to upload. And after that, you can add in a title, for example, test, and you can add a description, you can upload a thumbnail. And after this video finishes, now after this uploads and gets processed, we'll wait for this bar to fill up, and then after that it'll automatically suggest some thumbnails which you can pick, and then you can just, there you go, you can go ahead and click next, and then you can add these video elements, and then there you can click publish now or schedule. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and please be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.